Friends, hi friends. Today I will explain important point related to eNACH form. So you can see a sample eNACH form on my screen. Okay, I'll take all the individual points and I'll explain what is the point and what is the meaning of that point, what is the functionality related to that point. I'll explain you. So first is application date. See, date on which eNACH is applied. So today you are taking a loan and you are giving a eNACH form today. The date will be, today's date will be available, but execution date will be different. Your execution date will be your EMI date. So that will be different. But this is when you are applying a loan and your loan is sanctioned and your loan is disbursed, on that day they will take the eNACH form. They will mention the date of the disbursement. What is sponsor bank? Sponsor bank is lender's bank. So when you are taking loan, two parties are involved. One is bank or financial institution. They will be called as a lender. Then the person taking the loan will be called as borrower. So sponsor bank means lender's bank. Request type. So you can see three types of requests are available: create, modify, cancel. When you are taking a new loan, then you tick, your tick mark will be against the create eNACH. Modify means you want to modify existing eNACH. If you want to increase the period or you want to increase the EMI, in that situations you have to modify the eNACH and you have to give the modified eNACH form to the bank for the execution. Cancellation. In case sometimes if a loan is closed or you have pre-closed the loan, in those situations you can cancel the eNACH so that from next month onwards EMI will not be debited from your account. It may be monthly or it may be quarterly, depend on the your request. Destination bank means customers bank, where the monthly EMI or automatic debit is collected. So here we'll take customers or borrowers bank account number, bank name, IFSC code or MICR code. Frequency. So frequency will be monthly, quarterly, half yearly, yearly. Means based on your loan and based on your agreement with the lender, EMI will be or lump sum amount will be deducted monthly, means every month, quarterly means once in a 3 years, half yearly means once in a 6 years, yearly means once in a year. It will be debited from your account and credited to the borrower's account. One more option is there, as and when presented. So in this scenario, there won't be any frequency. Whenever bank requests money from the customer, they'll raise a eNACH request and it will be executed and the amount will be deducted from the borrower account and credited to the lender's account. So two types of debit available. One is fixed amount, second one will maximum amount. If it is fixed amount, for example, your EMI is 15,700. So if you are given a e-mandate or eNACH for 15,700 every month based on your frequency, if you say, if you are given a frequency as monthly, every month 15,700 will be deducted from your account and they can't execute eNACH more than 15,700 in a month. But if you given a maximum amount, so once what happens, in case in a month some charges are incurred, those charges can be linked to your EMI and it will be deducted from the customer account. It should be below the maximum amount, and sometimes customer has missed 1 month EMI. So second month they can club the previous month EMI and present month EMI and they can collect the amount from the borrower if you are given a maximum amount. If it is a fixed amount means they will collect only fixed amount. If it is failed, you are not paid, means personally you have to transfer the money to the borrower account, or you have to pay by cash, or you have to give a check to the borrower to collect the amount and credit to the loan EMI, adjust to the loan EMI. Period, you have a from date and to date. From date means from which date eNACH should be started. To date means when your eNACH should be stopped. Okay, so application date is different and period from date to date is different. You have one more option, until cancelled. So you will give a from date. So today onwards your eNACH will be executed until cancelled. So there won't be to date. Whenever customer comes and requests for the cancellation of the eNACH, then only will stop the eNACH execution. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please share my channel details with your friends also.